Canned food is such a mundane part of our lives these days, we hardly even think about it. But its invention changed the world in 1810. At first, it was a luxury for the likes of King George. It preserved rich food for rich people. But just 70 years later, regular folks built Utah's first cannery in Weber County. Soon there were canneries everywhere. This one in Roy opened in 1920, processing tomatoes from nearby farms. They expanded to include peas, cherries, and apricots, and locals remember the smell and how you could tell whatever they were canning from a mile away. My grandma's family, the Stevens, took over in the 1960s. They diversified in the winter and canned Hawaiian punch and high C too. But when the world switched to juice boxes, that drove cans out of business. The Stevens Cannery was the last operating independent cannery in Weber County when they closed for good in 1987. But the warehouse is still here, a time capsule to a major chapter in Weber County history.